Little storyteller.
Timmy the teddy bear carefully held a little toy camera. His fluffy brown fur shone in the sunny playroom. Barnaby the bunny, with his long floppy ears and soft white fur, stood next to him, holding a tiny microphone made of cotton. Professor Hoot, the wise old owl with big round eyes and feathery gray wings, sat on a shelf above, a pair of pretend glasses perched on his beak. "Ahem," Professor Hoot said in a deep, gentle voice. "Welcome, viewers, to the amazing adventures of Timmy." Timmy walked over to a tower of colorful blocks. He gently picked up a bright red block and placed it on top. "Here we see Timmy, in his natural habitat, engaging in the ancient art of block stacking," narrated Professor Hoot dramatically. Barnaby held the microphone close to Timmy. Next, Timmy went to his shelf of books. He carefully chose a book with pictures of happy animals and sat down on a soft rug to look at it. "Observe as Timmy explores the fascinating world of literature," Professor Hoot whispered. Timmy turned a page, his eyes wide with wonder at a picture of a smiling dolphin swimming in a sparkling blue sea. Later, Timmy's little human, Lily, came into the playroom. She had bright, curious eyes and a gentle smile. Lily saw Timmy and the other stuffed animals. "Oh, hello," Lily giggled. She picked up a toy watering can and carefully watered a little potted plant on the windowsill, its green leaves reaching towards the sunlight. Timmy, Barnaby, and Professor Hoot watched Lily. "And now," Professor Hoot announced, "we witness a demonstration of kindness and care for living things." Lily finished watering the plant and then noticed Timmy and the others. She gently picked up Barnaby and gave him a soft hug. Barnaby's fluffy tail twitched happily. The Amazing Adventures of Timmy documentary was a great success. Timmy, Barnaby, and Professor Hoot watched their footage. "We learned that Timmy is very good at playing, and Lily is very kind," said Barnaby. "Indeed," hooted Professor Hoot, "and kindness, like sunshine for a plant, helps everyone grow happy and strong."
Please subscribe. Thank you.